I am say many a PC yakasa bebrebe nti me ndi kan famfa hwasa. O ka sem bi say abrabo ye amamwa ti say abrabo.
Oh yes, I am koye ni mo say nka ye interrogate budget na.
Because o kan yo nti say o kan yo na ka say o atifu tie na wo deceive mo. Amamwa ya abrabo nti no say akra school ko ho na aduane die ho na da chihye ho na sika nso a. Na mehwa akra nso say the Dr. Okoboy anabo kan mehwa akra nansa ama busua na gina yi ansa na bia makope edai bi asiamo eno ne na obeka say nuanom emre bi atwam no mu ka bi say sama mu okra ye adansie ne suku dan ye ne hospital nko ade anka sebesebe anka ya de hunu sansa ba bia ba oye bi ena de omo se mfa to anyom frɛ mu na oba ya tini na oka akwan ho asem gribuk ni efisa gribuk akwa ya akwan ni nyina o. Because at that time no cry me call
Sasem ne de mu kan ya na bet today fa me nyia no ma PAC but e be ye dan ya yo mamu akwan nyina awie
because the can say obi so kire say wa ya akwan na wa ya akwan a enne mampanya kufu adoko yi bebi biara obesi biara no ebusa na kwai opa ko fa parliament questions ye ba me ha mani nka se ma metime aka se be emu be uchemu ha emu be 50% ya akwan ho ensem ko a na obi ebusa na nti ebusa se anya bia ye nuanom NDC fo akwa na mu ye no etu ko bokina na ye ntiase because akwa ne ntu nko dia abede na MPP e ba tumi so within 3 years ye ko fa so e de adwudwu akwa nyina asena na. By the way onte de ye so ba ye tumi aye kakra fa akwa ho akwa no ye wo mu bienu wo ye foforo na o maintain de ye wo ho no.
Okay,
about 9,000 kilometers 9,000 plus of feeder routes ya maintaining in the go hey. Acquire a friend say and your trunk routes. Sabe in quasi quite no. Feeder routes 18,151 kilometers. So nima onko per budget no can be. Na akwanso aye urban routes me manya hu bi. NDC peso bantuma drain 1 kilometer drain kwa nya bi ho. Ma hu bi se yaka kroma kwaya
say we the minister the man in bulk ntinka wo abedi no wa che ne say 9,000 trunk routes to say feeder routes na yaye ha 18,000 plus yaye ha o man mienu
urban roads 7,600 samre yaye ka say ka say falis nya be na program ye nwie because it's a lot of roads but new roads yaye na asphalt 206 kilometers me bantuma constituency but me abombe di achiro
apart from
Kumase achiro bebrebe Kumase ye hu pita adoato adobanu ko ayi friend say patase ko hwe ko Kumase junction bantuma constituency koma me nua kankam ho na ko hwe akwaya ye yi egu a asphalt enye akwaya ye de adwie mo record adeguso 6 inches thick asphalt. It is on young Korea on Uncle revise the nose.
This will took a Kumasi and Sano.
The percentage.
This will took a Kumasi and Sano.
So Obiaba Canada.
Or one crime. And what Eastern region. Teacher and you Eastern region.
Obaya, the Bibica. Okay, budget no bones and let's take a quan Bibico.
Okay.
I'm a percentage at Adebaco. Budget. I'm seminar PC with all due respect to him. Maybe I want Tiasia. So your budget now your car and I'm a 9 and 9 noon near this canoe. So one ye a tria a foka which is compensation. A buy juma and koso.
Okay.
You want to be good. So one ye interest a triaka. So one tria a minor and to me and yan to be called Sambium and Tiano Soka. So one ye goods and services are organizations know assemblies and running. And son now be a higher infrastructure. And no ya the boom at once one. Now you are cabin swa over 2 years into a business can or hinifa. Yeah, on ship budget in this can you know if you are. Then you are not
apart from the Omudija, within Momo 3 years, no one is a Moody Bebrea become Munche Numa Mudia.
A new idea, a baby. You buy Ghana for over 4.6 million. Obitin baby. No, this is Kakoto baby. Na bank shall CSA. Na you know NDC for want to be Yakodro or buyer and to one among Intiminu. Your boka 6 over 16 billion Ghana cedis. I'm going to share 2 ho. energy crisis can you do monko hihye maye obaya member say my come as na tenten no every year you tria over 5 billion America's got 1 billion aye dey solve to beka say enya hwu
mo dey solve dey
excess capacity na ye hia na ye mfanya hwere ho ka no excess capacity no you bet me dey IBB fufuro but enhihye ye da ho no say oba use o so you so track ho ka ma ba che no
the any intention say yes export bi ara na mo export
bias akwahwe dey manage ho rough unim independent power producers no e banse no nyina to America ba Ghana na woman ko Ivory Coast na kura be hu because uchi chema ne bo ba ko no power no ne bo ba ko no na Ghana de no e wo soro be 12 to 14 cents per kilowatt hour.
Okay.
Oko neighboring country omunya no 9 cents into what you about to say.
But someone so much and say we are looking at exporting power apart from some more excess capacity no what ban ya ka say ye pese ye net exporters of power and it's a price no nye e neighboring countries e dey tin na ban ka say we want to be net exporters of power.
See so hu a abegu owu kankabi ewuja okawa upe obehye se wonsa de so a twa ho se wonsa de so a pekwa bi ne fa hye wonsa enti de ye ne se minister budget no kan wuti a ye every negotiate ye ne omu keka se be ya ebo no beba fom ne yatumi afade se be sa mre animoni mu ha ya no ye hia no e de akọ ye nuanu ma benben ye ho meka se ekọ wo bank meeting no e ya de ba ko a ye de tu wo manim se ye ntumi nkase abatumi mu atwanse wa de na nhihye ye ntie ye dai ye ntua esa be mo man no
PSC no kakra in the next 2 minutes because wakasa che na PSC mra sa sobo a omo bomo say mu sika no ye di ne yanum dodo ye mfa bi nyem puntu dwuma no still no wa kwahwa so wanya no ana meka say apart from the minority ne beka no one more ye economists and so more system ni mu cancer de ne say concentration no e wo consumption so the ditu abosiensi hu the ditu adwuma for card the ditu allowances no e dos no do nti ne ma amafo de ye pa kwan ye pesku ye pewe because ye nya bi mfa enye sa niama na sika bi so se ko ba bi e ko no ye se mo amfa nko ato forcing say NHIS sika mo jeje ye te say VAT no percentage na ewum no 2.5 million Ghana cedis 2 million cedis per na mo de koma NHIS e wo confess nim na road fund de so 1.7 million na 1 billion ko ya 700 million anko
but I mean cast him quickly e fa de work kan ho no ye ba na de mra bi ba ye friend carping Captain say usika obenya ho bia unya internal generated fund bi o ho na bibia usika na budget do aban no ka say okay unya ni nyina me de bi ko akoto consolidated farmer me fa ni nyina ma say ya betumi anya bi so de aye ha kakra wo ho na mom say ko ba say uhia additional utumi saba na ya mo ka say ya fa ni nyina nko road fund ya fa ni nyina nko health aid but aban no akwa mra no chese say e ba critical say uhia utumi saba ba ya ma na ho kakra ama na ensay no na mo kan so be yo sa no we free wa na o kase consumption ba ma me mfo ba kope mfanya mfato ho ma yi ye kase consumption a bi asika ye dey recurrent expenditure enti ba ka kire me say emrantie ene mabawa over 1.2 million na omuko school yi yenu anum NDC for friends say eye adidisika mo friend chop munya ato forcing na ye originality say you know we say eye consumption chop enti obedi ma ka tell me say abusua na say o mampanya kufu ado den krai ko school no enye ejapade eye de wo ani si say wasa no achim ne pa me call ayi Australia e koye meeting bi World Group of Accountants they koye meeting bi wo friends say last year 2008 Conference of Chartered Accountants nya akwanya ko bi Japan so obuna konta wo say sika ye de ko hye ntitiyem efa school ho ene ye di raise ni pa madachi o ma ba ye o manager pade no o be ye lawyer o be ye accountant journalist o be ye parliamentarian na president no sasika no enye consumption enye investment enti so wo betra wa ka kire me say sika e di school adaye na say e di ye enkura no ho adwuma madachi enya mfaso no Says the kind of consumption. Now, 2 foot to Ghana for one.
Thank you, my PSM.
Any consumption.
And no, I said in the phone, I can send no credit. Abaya to tune in Yamaye. Ama 2017-2018 crowd, there was trade surplus. And see, na a year. And no more, I can say, dear, my economy near economy. Bosia and Crofoji or Mank. And see, Hono, above from pa. And inflation and so above from. And near my Bemaya Castle, Mobro from Mukasa indicators, no. A year. Enti HSA abano why dear.
That's it. Now, okay. Indicators na perform the nyamiase. Is it the first time? No. And
a bit to say rates, lending rates in the almost say for so many years. I feel na about do this level.
More inflation. One calendar,
okay.
But
inflation, so they've achieved single digits.
Yes.
The longest
7.6.
The long in 27 years, the lowest in 27 years.
And the NDC, inflation, about single digits for 38 months.
Really?
Yes.
Go
and check. 38 months. So what I say. Then, under former finance minister, Kwabena Dufo. The history is there. I mean, records no bit Makakove. Okay. Dr. Baumia in 2016. Good evening, Ghana. Okay, so some more tape now. It's a video.
So when you
say, so what I say, a video. Dr. Baumia say, so inflation by former. Na entimia reflect wo nipa brabo ma ohun inflation no so mfaso because okwa ono ade nga opepa yi to safi so okaya into ta ko mala tagwamu ni ade techima ngwaso tamale gwaso ene kona ko say sa inflation na ye kan sa bar form ne nsunsanso e wo gwadi mu ene na we na fe na honorable baba ye budget for fracture wa ha na
no, I was just
about
allocation of the funds.
Honorable kind of rata. Ono ye minister of finance. And Robert Bonkunta ajire Ghana for. When we ajire people
of course.
No butchera wo no. Na me bisa say, o se kwan ahoro wa he na no nga ya wie.
I've told you. What is it?
Nye fe na baba ya kire me.
Specifics because we need the
yeah.
The figures are there. They are there.
Samoa moye fourth estate of the realm. When we money amwa. Sebi ye na number wa. O do ni ade ye kwadwuma o krase a. Aban or the 6 better than 9.
Oh, the be.
Pastor,
we are better than
this year, next year, no 2020 year of roads.
Year of roads.
Me that's it. Me was 2016. Sorry, 2017, 2018, 2019. 2020. I bring budget or the break Ghana for on roads.
Okay.
Any. There be a cat was a bang you deceitful on Kano courage Ghana for. Paragraph 2017 budget no. One first budget. Paragraph 510. Also in 2017, 195 kilometers of trunk road and 25 kilometers of urban roads will be constructed.
Okay.
You be see in 2017.
Yes,
construction of bridge on the Volta River at Volivo. And Sawama Apeja Road, Kwafu Krum Apeja Road.
Okay.
Tamale Yendi Road.
Okay.
Bogathanga Boku Palma Krum. Nkwanta Oti Damanko Road. Oti Damanko Nyankpanduri Road. Brekum Sekwa Road. Enchi Dadiesu Road. Kaswa Interchange and ancillary works. Dualization of whole main roads. Construction of whole bypass, construction of Obichebi Lamte interchange, construction of Fokwasi interchange, and Kumasi Road and Drainage Extension Project. Senkamo Parliament Kabeti yo. Mpacho paragraph 536. Where 2018 budget. Where 2017.
Okay.
2018.
Okay.
Paragraph 536.
Okay.
In 2018, some of the key roads program for continuation include construction of bridge on Volta River at Volivo. Over here, the same thing and our lefty no debe to 2008 mebobo
but nyabutu se bia ogusu a oye because kamba beka obeche bi interchange no she one say okai but onyanyeye enti afei na obeye ya this year na me feel say budget ne ye say ye hwe say ye nsa beka sikase say ye nsa ka sikase ya ye de beye nwumase enti se ne nsa aka dia ene ye say ubehu say adekwa na kuma so obeye ne dia obe repeat you
education SNK yes asentem because aban sodaya no abeka che Ghana so me ba be ye President Kufuor ko Kumasi I think 2018 or 2017 thereabout Sabra na sign no hydro sikei ashase okotwa sika about 500 million no bekai so the be ye Kumasi town roads nyina akosi projections answer na actuals your projections nti buy no be kire say nia me susu say me nyesika me ye ni mpacho tie enti sika no ama nti ne yankoya na mpacho project which is a bridge over Volivo a loan facility from Japan former government under John Mahama eco secure start Juma and sana bobeto so sika no asa what they asanko ana sika na we na yenwie ye bepem de
still a government project enti your the budget ni mo na because of person say ye be cost ye be ye
dia kwa bibi foforo
me bisa
enti your the budget man no akoyi no akodi or dia bibi foforo
oh but
yeah me say
hold on the fact that audiation no che say obeye dia na
ye wo de mame mo me
yo mate
me hwe mu ahe wawie mpacho nsawm eni nsawm apedwa road kwafo apedwa road Tamale Yendi Road, Bogatanga Boku Palmakom, Nkwanta Otidamanko Nankwanduri Road, Brekum Cycle Road, Enche Dadiesu Road, Kaswa Interchange and Ancillary Works. Mabo Bako de Dao, 2018.
Okay.
Good. Dualization of whole main road, construction of whole bypass, construction of Pokwasi Interchange, Kumasi Road and drainage extension project. 2019. Mpacho paragraph 115.
Okay.
Of the budget. Mr. Speaker, in line with commitment to complete projects commenced under the previous administration, the following ongoing projects will also be financed. Bridge on the Volta River at Volivo. Third point. Third time I'm building. In Sawam Apedja Road, Kwafu Krom Apedja Road, Bogatanga Boku Palmakom, Nkwanta Oti Damanku Road. Otida Manku Nankwanduri Road, Brekum Cycle Road, Enche Dadiesu Road, dualization of whole main road, whole bypass, Kumasi Road and drainage extension project. Where 2018.
It's a 3 years consecutive.
Me patro yanko 2020.
Okay.
Budget nim. Where budget ne kan ho asem e dey enye NDC MPP mo na mko choro bai. Ene ye bisa se mo nchire ye mu ye. Patro 2020 budget. In addition, installation, paragraph 867.
Okay.
Current budget, okay. 2020. And Mr. Speaker, some of the ongoing project program for construction in 2020. Construction of Dulo Adidome, Esikuma Road project, and then for Babeka home. Upgrading of Tamale, Zabzugu, Yendi, Tamale Road and 1,360 kilometers of feeder roads.
Okay.
But I find okay. In Sawam Apedja Road, Kwafu Krom Apedja Road, Bogatanga Boku Palmakom, Nkwanta Otida Manku Road, Otida Manku Nankwanduri Road, Brekum Cycle Road, okay. Enche Dadiesu Road, okay. Dualization of whole main road, construction of whole bypass, construction of Pokwasi Interchange, Kumasi Road and drainage extension project, improvement of 4 roundabouts between Ejiso and KNUST. But one fan say, "Enone, me abeka view." Enti me catch us abangi. So we no cry. We in the 4th year budget.
O kan bro fu bi wo ho no ma o say continuation of enti na say ya sha say aye to aso. Now we a budget
when or triasu fi previous government in Ejuma no yes.
Okay.
Mami we want roads.
Nyaboche. we a budget said the na can means I can see kana enti nkrata ben na ka company document ben e be che be ma ye hu ana wa hu bibi e be che me hu say ogi sika so okoye sa akwan we and still repeat and because e bia na e wo mba ni sika na aso kai say ye ntumi do revenue target no enti on do revenue target no de e bia no waka sa apagwa de be road na ho de na and so nyanya sika no nye
why are they? And I say, oh, FPP for what that was.
Now, by
Bampachoti.
Oh, my
Bampachoti.
Oh, my
God.
Hey, Maura, man,
project I'm able to see.
Okay.
This is a big bossy Ayakoje de Dow.
Auntie, just a Canada.
There were who could just cannot go ahead. And then that's what you know this
Bossy
idea
here.
What good dear? Voluvo Bridge over Volta River. A facility and Jeffy Japan.
Okay.
All right. Project of
Mujiba na mukoye ne no musi ebeba. You are setting the bedru ye.
Sikana ba. Ya na se me dobe no sikana ba.
Okay.
Pocas interchange. John Mahama. Oh mama mopo. No Mahama me bopo. John Mahama ko dey sikana beto ho no. Or the asoso ko bo from ana meboa. Necessary ko she adwuma na se
ya.
E date na mawujai. Abangi bai no bega se mo fanto hansa. Arehosem say honorable parliament o. And so say NDC for John Mahama say why Ghana kwan nyina. And so obe presenting state of the nation address or presenting my parliament. Uncle 2016 asama John Mahama kan. Tre the number of kilometers of roads are under ono why Green Book na no kan bi ni. Share that the Bible so over be boso. Ya hwem bi sa hwe say akwan a wo Ghana nyina so you bet my idea good so Green Book you man
me that wabo ye time na so
no akwan a wo Ghana nyina timi asama say biom.
Thank you.